was deep. We're already down about 5-6 inches. Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. A button. Oldie, oldie, oldie. That's a big one. Hey guys, 1700's button.
Nice.
Yeah. Nice signal. 5 inches down. Ooh. Look at that. That's a silver buckle. Oh yeah, no question that's silver. Or maybe it's not a buckle. It might be some kind of pin. Nope, it's a buckle. It's a knee buckle. Wow. Hopefully this has some kind of markings on it. Hey Mike, I got a bunch of cold waters in the car. All right. Wow. Hey Mike, look how low this reads. Check this out. Look, this is a Tomback button. Check it out. Tomback button. There's writing on it. 1700s. I just cleaned it up. Very fragile. It's broken already.
Oh my gosh, what's written on the middle of it?
I can't tell. I can't read it. Something, right? Is that a design or writing? I can't tell.
It's a design.
Okay.
There it is.
Okay. It's just
now
a design
I can
button.
see it a little bit.
But what I wanted to show you is hold your machine up. Watch this. Look how it reads. Yeah. So even those low...
What does iron come up as? That's about it, right?
Iron you're not going to hear. That's anything above 0 is not iron. What was that, 10 on yours?
9.
9, okay. Very deep. 8-9 inches down. see silver. What the heck? Oh, it's a real. It's like a 1 real coin. Wow, that was deep. This is what they used back in the Rev War days. This is a Spanish real. It's beat up pretty good.
So thin.
Yes, they were very, very thin, and they got beat up easily.
That's only 4 inches.
Nice. Let's see.
I was looking at him like, ah, that's
Oh wow.
a penny.
That's a British copper.
British copper.
Yeah. Very nice. I can see it looks like a shield on one side. Very cool. That's 1700s, buddy.
Hey.
Nice, nice, nice. Wow, only 4 inches down. Blasting loud signal.
It, right
What
there.
number did it read? Must have read high.
It was reading like a penny, 1240.
Wow, very nice. This is great. So this is what Jesse
and
got. Jesse got a
you
beautiful
also have-
1700 buckle.
You have these spoons. This looks like almost silver. I mean, I
Well, see,
shined
we
it.
found some spoons in that hole too.
Yeah,
Like broken
that looks
spoons
silver.
and
Look at that.
stuff.
That's
Yeah.
nice.
And
Wow.
this one here. And
Very nice.
I tell you, I couldn't see what it was.
Look at this. We gotta get
Oh,
this
wow,
one,
look at
Cam.
that
This
nick
is
in that son of a
absolutely
gun.
gorgeous.
You put it in.
Look at the date on this thing. 1767. Wow. Oh my gosh. That's incredible. At the end of the day, he gets the find. That's great.
I said, let me walk around here, man, because she was
Look at
digging
that.
and nobody was really coming over here.
Right, right.
good find.
She's standing right on top of it, and she's doing her work here before. Oh, I gotta show her this. Wow.
Where do you see that? Oh, there it is.
Right there, 1767. Don't worry
You know,
about
that
it.
might
That's
be
gorgeous.
That might be where they cut it.
Maybe
We're gonna
they-
cut
They
it.
might have tried to cut it, yeah. The one I got is 1769, and it's half of it. Just like that, they cut it right in half. Hold it, Ronnie, I want to see you with a big smile. What a freaking coin. Wow. Today. There we go.
Hey, he's got all
Bunch
the
of
money.
coins. Here we go. He's got the good stuff. Look at this. Okay, nice. That's an old button, 1700s right there. That's an oldie. You got a bunch of modern coins mixed in, huh?
Yeah.
Then you got the nice Barber right there.
And I think it was no, that's the
Barber
King
quarter.
George.
Coin. You got a King George.
And then we gave a large cent to the house on
That's right. Good stuff there. That's a piece to a shoe. An old button, pottery. A pile of coins and stuff. And we got some buttons. An old silver
Do
buckle.
you recognize that? Do you ever see any of that around?
Yeah, there's pottery down the
1782.
basement.
Matches this?
I think so. Yeah.
That must be original for the house then. 'Cause this was down
It's
pretty
a half real.
by the tree.
Oh, really? There's a whole box of stuff that came out of the hole in the.
This is something they would have put on a shoe. Like a tap on a shoe.
Oh,
Heel
okay.
plate.
It's like 1782.
I found this thing down about 9 inches. I almost had a heart attack.
Oh my gosh, what's that?
It's just a garbage.
Not what Ron
It's just
Oh.
garbage.
That's a lid to something.
That
Well,
other
it's
lid
clean.
you found behind that was
Yeah.
a salt shaker.
Okay, look at the initials on this. See that? Is it like initials or marker? Maker marking or initials is what it is.
what it is.
Oh, definitely initials. This was made for something. You could see it better. It was stamped in on the back side of it.
Square nail.
Okay. Yeah, it's old. Oh, you got a bag full of stuff ready.
Yeah, it's nothing really juicy. A couple of silver dimes, Wheaties,
Okay.
but nothing juicy. What's this oxen? What ox?
That's called an ox knob. Those are pretty cool. That's old. That looks like 1800s. Yeah. Yep. They would screw those on and cut the tip off so you don't get gored. And this one, old Tomback button with a design on it.
Real buckle, part of a buckle.
Oh yeah, yeah. Look at that. Where'd you get that one?
Down around where when you go down the hill over there.
Okay. Cool.
Harmonica, huh?
Yeah, I got a harmonica right here.
Harmonica reed.
See it right there?
Oh, it's almost all together.
Yeah, usually find pieces of them.